Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 12th standard business mathematics and statistics, chapter number 7, continuation of exercise 7.1. Now problem number 20. An experiment succeeds twice as often as it fails. That is, probability of success that is equal to twice the probability of failure. What is the probability that in next 5 trials, number of trials that is equal to 5, that is n that is equal to 5, there will be 3 successes, that is x that is equal to 3, and at least 3 successes, that is x is greater than or equal to 3. Okay. So number 20. By data, probability of success, yes refer success, that is equal to twice the probability of failure. Probability of success that is represented by the letter small p and 2 into probability of failure that is equal to small q. Okay, we know that q that is equal to 1 minus p or p that is equal to 1 minus q, which implies q that is equal to 1 minus this p can be replaced by 2q, which implies minus 2q comes left hand side plus 2q, therefore q plus 2q that is equal to 1, 3q that is equal to 1, therefore q that is equal to 1 by 3. I got the value of q. Now I am going to substitute the value of q in equation number 1. Therefore, equation 1 implies p that is equal to 2q, p that is equal to 2 into q value is 1 by 3, which implies p that is equal to 2 by 3. Now, we got the value of p and q. N value is given in the question itself. Look at that. Here's the question. Next 5 trials, n that is equal to 5. Okay. Now, write the binomial distribution. Therefore, binomial distribution probability of x equal to x that is equal to ncx into p power x into q power n minus x, and x can take the values 0 to n. Now subdivision number 1, 3 successes, probability of getting 3 successes. Look at that, 3. Next one is at least 3. First subdivision, probability of x that is equal to 3, n value 5, c x value 3, here p value that is equal to 2 by 3 power x value here it is 3, q that is equal to 1 by 3, n minus x 5 minus 3 that is equal to 2. Then we have to simplify. That is equal to 5c3 is 5 into 4 into 3 and divided by 3 factorial, that is 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 cube that is equal to 8, 3 cube that is equal to 27, 1 square equals 1 and 3 square is 9. Then we have to simplify. 3 get cancelled, 2 table 2 times, that's all. Now we can multiply 5 2s are 10 into 8, 80, 27 into 9, that is equal to 80 by 243. Okay. This is the book answer, or you can write the answer even in decimal. 80 divided by 243, we are getting 0.3292181. That is equal to 0.3292. Since it is less, 1 is less than 5, you write 3292 only. So that is the answer for the first subdivision. Now subdivision number 2. Subdivision number 2, at least 3 successes. So probability of at least symbol greater than or equal to 3. Here you can find the value with using property, even without using property. If I use the property, you write 1 minus probability of x less than 3. The property is probability of x greater than or equal to a, that is equal to 1 minus probability of x less than a, equals 1 minus less than 3. What are the numbers? 0, 1 and 2. So probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equals 1 and probability of x equals 2. Now we have to substitute all the x values in the formula. Formula, you know that NCX, n value, that is 5. 5C x value 0, double set of brackets, then 5C1 double set of brackets, 5C2 into double set of brackets. Here P value, here Q value. P value, that is equal to 2 by 3, Q value 1 by 3. 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, here 1 by 3. Here x value, here it is 0, here x value 1, here x value 2. Here n minus x, n here, x here, 5 minus 0, 5, 5 minus 1, 4, 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. That is equal to 1 minus NC0 value is 1, therefore 5C0, that is equal to 1. Anything power 0 equals 1, you have only 1 by 3 power 5 plus NC1 value is n, therefore 5C1, that is equal to 5 and 2 by 3 write as it is, and 1 by 3 power 4 also as it is, plus 5C2, you know that 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1, then 2 by 3 the whole square into 1 by 3 the whole cube as it is. Can simplify 2 times, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 power 5, 1 by 3 power 4, here 1 by 3 power 3. Which one is the least? This is the least one. So take it out. That is common. Since I have taken 1 by 3 whole square as common, so the left one is 1 by 3 whole square. That's the balanced one. Plus we have 5 into 2 by 3, that is equal to 10 by 3. We have taken 1 by 3 power 3 common. So one more 1 by 3 will be there, into 1 by 3 plus 5 2s are 10 into 2 by 3 the whole square, because we have taken 1 by 3 power 3 as common. That is equal to 1 minus 1 cube, that is equal to 1, 3 cube, that is equal to 27, then 1 squared is 1, 3 squared is 9, plus 10 divided by 3, 3s are 9, plus 2 square is 4, 4 into 10, 40, divided by 3 square is 9. That is equal to 1 minus 27, 1 by 27. Look at the denominators, all same only, so that's a common denominator 9. Then add the numerators, 1 plus 10 plus 40. If you add, you will be getting 51, 51 by 9, 1 by 27 into 51 by 9. That is equal to 1 minus 1 by 27 into 51 divided by 9. That is equal to 1 minus, we can divide by 3 table, 3 times here, 17 times. Solve 1 into 17, 17, 27 3s, 7 3s are 21, balance 2, 81. 17 divided by 81. 17 by 81 equals 0.209875. Then 1 minus, we will be getting the value 0.791235. So it can be rounded up to 4 decimal places. 0.790. Since the fifth digit is less than 5, you write 1 as it is. This is one answer. The book answer, what is given now, see here, they haven't divided. See, 1 minus 17 by 81, I do the calculation also, listen, equals, LCM is 81, so 81 minus 17 divided by 81, 81 minus 17, that is equal to 64, 64 divided by 81. The book answer given, that is 192 divided by 243. Book answer 1 92 divided by 243. If you divide by 3 table, you will be getting that 64 divided by 81. Look at that. Same answer only. Right? So you can write the answer, you can stop the answer at this stage, or else you can write the answer in decimal. Both the answers are correct. Write any one of them. So problem number 20 is completed. Then I will be teaching the next exercise, that is exercise 7.2 in the next video. Thank you, children.